All right, so Tim from Cary. I did meal prep when I started a fast and needed to slowly bring food back in my diet. What are the best meals for fasting and post-fasting?
Well,
hold on, Tim.
Except you don't eat very fast.
Yeah, you don't eat meals on a fast. That's not a fast.
Maybe Tim means like if he's doing a 24-hour fast, like what do you have for your dinners or your lunches that you're doing every 24 hours type of thing. Right. And then the longer term fast. And there are considerations. This is a good question because some people really will find that if they are doing a little bit of a longer fast, or even if it's a shorter fast, they don't feel great breaking their fast with a very large meal. Maybe they need to have a little bit of broth or something lighter and kind of step their way back to like a big piece of steak and vegetables. Because when you're fasting, you're getting incredible digestive rest, which is fantastic for a lot of things. But sometimes reintroducing too much too quick can leave us feeling a little bit bloated or uncomfortable. Our digestive tract sometimes needs a little bit of encouragement to get back into the swing of things, right? So I'm a big fan, Tim, of broth, right? Of doing broth or doing something light like scrambled eggs or Greek yogurt or a protein shake, something that's kind of already pre-digested and doesn't take a whole lot of work. And then you can get yourself slowly back to, the meat and the vegetables and, things that are a lot more textured. Do you agree?
Agree. Totally agree. Yeah. I think, look, Tim, the mistake you don't want to make is to say, oh, I've been fasting. Show me the cake. That's not a post.
Yes.
Yeah, it needs to be really, this is kind of a topic that some of the folks on, say, Diet Doctor really get into. How do you break that fast and what does it look like?
Yes.
So the idea that it's somewhat calorically reduced and carbohydrate restricted are kind of good themes to adhere to.
Yes. Yeah. And dietdoctor.com is a website that we will sometimes refer people to. It's an excellent source for ketogenic information and recipes. We have great recipes at casualketodoctor.com and all over our website, but we like people to have other resources too. And Diet Doctor is a great one. Also for fasting, Dr. Jason Fung.
Yes.
Fung is kind of a guru when it comes to fasting for health and for weight loss. And he has some really great books and information out there that you can explore as well. If you're curious about fasting, you're not sure.
Resource. I really like him.
Yeah. Talk to us too.
You can, we have a blog on our site about fasting, so you can check that out.
Good question.